Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make hammer using Blender 2.82. This is very simple model of hammer. So let's switch to new window. Okay. Select this camera and this light, then press delete to delete it. Now press 1 for front view. Then you have to select this cube, switch to edit mode and press Ctrl R to give a loop cut. Press Alt Z for X-ray mode, then select this vertex, then delete vertex. Now click on this add modifier properties and apply here mirror modifier. So we'll have to work only on one side. Now switch to face selection mode, select this face, then press G, then X to move on X axis. Okay. Now press E, then X to extrude on X axis. Now press Shift R to repeat this. Okay. Now switch to edge selection mode, double click on this edge. Now press S to scale like this. Okay. Now press Alt Z to disable X-ray mode. Switch to object mode and apply this mirror modifier. Then press F4, under preferences, search here loop tools and enable this loop tools add-on, then close this window. Switch to edit mode, double click on this edge and press Ctrl X to dissolve this. Now press 7 for top view and first give loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R like this. Now press S then Y to give distance between these two edges. Okay. Now again press Ctrl R and give loop cuts like this. Now switch to face selection mode, select this face and you have to subdivide it like this. So open this subdivide option and increase number of cuts from here. Now right click under loop tools, select here circle. Now switch to vertex selection mode and press Ctrl- for less selection. Now you have to press Ctrl X to resolve this. Now switch to face selection mode, select this face and press E, then Z to extrude on Z axis. Now press S to scale like this. Now press E, then Z to extrude on Z axis like this. Again press E, then press enter to confirm this. Now press S to scale, then press E, then Z to extrude on Z axis. Okay. Now press S to scale like this. Now press Ctrl R to give a loop cuts. Now press S, then Z to scale on Z axis. Switch to face selection mode and double click on this face. Switch to extrude mode and select here extrude along normals. Okay, like this. Yeah. Now click on this selection. Now press Alt Z for X-ray mode and select this faces like this. Then holding Shift again select this. Now press Shift D to duplicate, then press enter to confirm this. Okay. Now press P and separate by selection. Switch to object mode, then press Alt Z to clear to disable X-ray mode. Okay. Now select this first cube, right click and set it smooth. Click on this object data properties, expand normal option and check here auto smooth. Okay. Now select second cube and also we have to do same thing. So first we have to enable this auto smooth option, then right click, then set a smooth. Then click on this materials and delete this materials. Also we have to delete this material from here. Okay. Now select second cube, switch to UV editing tab and press A to select everything. Then click on UV and you have to select here cylinder projection like this. Press A to select everything and press S to scale like this. Okay. And now we have to export this. I am exporting this UV layer because I have to make this design, this spiral line design on this hammer. So I am exporting this. First click on this UV and export UV layout and give its name which you want, UV export. Okay. Now click on this export. Now drag into any vector software which you want, which you know. Okay. So import in Illustrator you can do with any vector software. First, if you are using Illustrator, then follow me. Select this image, then press Ctrl 2 for lock this. Now you have to you 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 have to draw a line like this. Okay. So select this line and press Alt, then holding Shift drag like this. Okay. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate many times like this. Okay. Now you have to select all the lines, right click, then join this, and just you have to scale like this, like this. Okay. Now draw rectangle like this and again draw rectangle like this. Switch to selection mode, select both rectangle, then right click, then group this. Okay. Okay. Now select both shape, then click on window, then click on pathfinder tools and divide this. Now close this pathfinder tools, expand layer panel and unlock this image. Select this image by clicking here. Now delete this. Export this PNG file in, export this image into PNG file and desktop, give it bump, give its name and export this. Okay. Now switch to Blender and also switch to shading mode. Click on this shading mode and decrease background value to make background darker. Then click on this new and select this image and drag into Blender. Now press Shift A and search here bump node. Connect this bump with this normal and connect this PNG file. Connect this color with this height. Okay. And yeah, this is shape. This, now you have to select this. Okay, now press shift A and search here mapping node. Connect this mapping node with this vector and search here textures coordinate and connect this UV with this vector. Okay, yeah. Now give any color which you want, like this red color. Yeah, this is good. And make little bit metallic. Okay, now select this hammer and click on new. Make it metallic like this, and also decrease roughness value, something like this. Now press shift A and search here bump and connect this bump with this normals. Now again select noise textures, so press shift A and search here noise textures and connect this factor with this height. Okay, now increase its scale value, something like this, around 200, and also decrease strength value, something like 0.1. Yeah, now press shift A and add mapping node. Again press shift A and search here textures coordinate. Connect this UV with this vector and connect this vector with this vector. Okay, connect this. You can also use here generated. Okay, yeah, you can also use UV, but you will have to unwrap this. So select this cube, switch to edit mode and press A, then click on this UV, and in this case you need to apply a smart UV protect and click OK. Okay, now you can use UV unwrap like this. Yeah, and you can decrease and increase value from here, like 3 and like 3. Yeah, this is simple way to create this hammer. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments and subscribe my channel.